In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Charlotte Tilbury promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Charlotte Tilbury promo codes. Right here, you'll have to scroll down until you should be able to find this website, which is Coupon Follow. And right here, we have different promo codes for this website. And for example, I'm going to scroll down and let's say I want to use this 5% off promo code. All I have to do is select show coupon code. And this is my discount code, which I can use on my next purchase in order to get my discount. So basically, you can just go to this offers right here and select the one that you want. Also, if I'm going back to the main search right here, I can just go to this website, which is Voucher and I have here other deals, for example, free samples right here. If I want to get this option with the free samples, all I have to do is select get discount, and this will redirect me to the website where the discount will be applied. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.